Hey guys, it's Lendel here. In this video, I'm going to share with you guys 5 different ways of how you can make money with Kartra or by using Kartra. If you're new to this channel, I am sharing different tips, strategies, and tools of how to build an online business and how to make money online or from home. So if you're interested in these type of things, go ahead and subscribe. All right, let's dive in. So the first way of how you can make money with Kartra is basically by doing affiliate marketing. I will go ahead and show you an example of what I'm talking about here. So I am promoting a product which is actually hosted in ThriveCard. This is an affiliate platform where Connect Explore is being hosted, an affiliate product that I am promoting. And I have created a video and posted it on YouTube on this channel actually, where I'm sharing how I was able to drop my Facebook ad cost to 0.06 per website click. And I'm basically sharing with them, exactly how I did it and what I've used. So I've used Connect Explore tool in order to optimize my ads. And then what I'm letting them know is they can actually go and check out this tool for themselves if they click the link below this video, which is right here. So, and I have created a funnel by using Kartra. Actually I've used their done for you funnels. So this is one of the done for you funnels that I've used, and I just customized it to match my product, Connect Explore. So when they opt in here, obviously the lead is gonna go, or their name and email is gonna go into my Kartra account, into the list that I have created for Connect Explore, and they're gonna start going through an email sequence. So they're gonna get their first email where I'm actually sharing a different training with them on exactly how to set up a Facebook ad from scratch, how to use Connect Explore to optimize their ad. And then I obviously tell them if they want to get access to Connect Explore or learn more about it, they can click the button below the video, which takes them to Connect Explore sales page. So that's how I'm able to make money with affiliate marketing by promoting a product and using Kartra. So, I have my done for you funnel that I have used and customized, set up in Kartra. And the automated email sequence that I have here that's going out to those leads, to those people when they opt in. I have it all, set up here and customize it here within Kartra. So I believe Kartra can absolutely transform your affiliate marketing business if you're doing affiliate marketing. So way number 2, how you can make money with Kartra is by promoting Kartra itself. So if I go and show you really quick of how you can actually make money by promoting Kartra itself, you can, if you want to become an affiliate, or actually if you want to get access to Kartra, for now, like at the time of me recording this video, you can get access to Kartra for just $1. If you click the link below this video, you can get access, as I said, for $1 for 14 days. And you can try it out, see if you're gonna like it, see how it can transform your business as well. So check out that link below this video if you want to get access to Kartra. And you can actually become an affiliate of Kartra as well, and you can start promoting it and start making money. At the time of me recording this video, Kartra has just been released last week. So this is how much I was able to make within the last actually 6 days that it has been live. And this is just with free traffic that I've used. And I'm starting to do paid advertising as well. So obviously I'm going to be getting a lot more sales and things like that. Kartra converts great if you want to promote it. That's definitely one of the best products that I've ever promoted. And if you are looking for a product to promote, that's definitely going to be a great product to promote because of the value in it, because of how it can actually transform your business if you're actually using it as a user, as a member, and because of how well it converts. So if you want to learn more about how to become an affiliate of Kartra and start promoting it, also find the link below this video. That's another way of how you can make money with Kartra. So the third way how you can make money with Kartra or by using Kartra is to set up your own product, your own digital product within Kartra. So I have a product that I have set up. At this moment, I'm actually giving it away as a bonus to those who go ahead and purchase Kartra through my link that you see below this video. But I will be releasing this product soon, so I will be able to actually make money with this product as well, and I will go ahead and show you really quick. So this is a membership site that I have set up with Kartra that I'm gonna be launching soon, you know, as my digital product. So I have a lot of trainings in here, like hours and hours of trainings, and I'm adding a lot more to it. I'm currently working on a few different trainings that I'm gonna go ahead and add in here, like YouTube marketing mastery and the online success blueprint. I'm still working on all these trainings. As you can see, it's coming soon. And also digital product creation course. This is actually another bonus that you'll be getting from me if you do purchase Kartra through my link. So this is a membership site that I have created, and I am currently setting up a product, and I will actually go ahead and show you how you can set up a product really quick. So if I go to my online business lounge right here, and this one is actually my daughter's training that she's almost done with, and you know, her own membership site that she has created, and she'll be launching her own product as well. And by the way, my daughter is only 9 years old, so if a 9-year-old can use Kartra to make money by using Kartra, you can do it as well, definitely. So let me go ahead and show you really quick how you can set up a product. So I'll go ahead and edit membership and go ahead and click edit. In order to actually customize it and you know how you want it to look at your membership area, and to add trainings in there and stuff, you can click on this builder here. But I'm gonna go ahead and click save and next. I have it all, you know, set up here. You would just go step by step and just set it up exactly how you want your product to be, or your membership site. So I'll just click save and next. And also, as you can see, for customer support, you can create a help desk, which is right here. I have created a help desk for my online business lounge, and when people have questions, they can easily write them and, you know, write a support ticket in my help desk right here. So next, and then the welcome message that I have set up here, as well as assign tags, subscribe to lists. I will also create sequences as well and automations to make the most out of my product launch and overall out of this funnel. So save and next, and then you see this page right here. Once you see this page, you would go and click go to my products. So you have this drop down menu here. If you have a few products, you'll have all of them linked in here, but I am in the online business lounge, my personal product here that I have created. And if I click on edit product, I'm not done setting this up yet, but I will pretty soon. So it's all going to be set up and ready to go. As you can see here, here's where you can change all the product details, payment process, and what exactly you want to use. PayPal, Stripe, I mean, there's a few different ones. The payment gateway that you want people to use to pay you for your product. And then if I go to save and next, then that's where you actually set up a pricing. I will probably change the pricing here. This is just for an example. I wanted to just play around with it. There's a few different price points that you can let people purchase your product for. Like you can give a full access for just a single payment. You can do a monthly fee. You can do a trial, whatever you want to do to set up your product online. So then if you have shipping costs, that's if you have like a physical product that you're selling, that's where you're going to set up shipping costs. Sales tax as well if you have a physical product, and refund policy. Then we just go through the steps and basically just set it all up. The thank you pages, the product page, and you know where people are gonna go to, and the logo, also the embed the help desk icon. One of the cool things about Kartra is it has, or it gives you an option to create bump offers. And by bump offer, I mean it's kind of like an upsell, but they don't have to go to a different page to actually purchase it. What they're gonna see is when they're purchasing your product, they're gonna have a bump offer if that's what you have set up with your product. That you are like, for example, you're offering them to get like an add-on course or like a different product that is similar to this product, or like if you are not selling a full access to your membership site, you can do like a bump offer to get full access to it. And that way people don't have to like go to another page. They'll be like, yeah, I definitely want full access to it, so I'm gonna go ahead and add this to my cart. And you obviously put a price on what exactly you want for the access for your full course. So save and next. Also, you're gonna set up your customer list, like where exactly you want your customer members to go, like to their lead to go, and tag your customers, and also how are they gonna be able to access your product content. And then if we go to the next page, you can set up an affiliate offer. Like if you want affiliates to sell your product, that's where you're gonna set up all the affiliate payments, that how much they're gonna actually be able to make from your product. Like let's say if they make sales of your product, they're gonna get 50% of the sales and you're gonna get the other 50%, or however you wanna do it. So all the affiliate stuff you can set up on this page right here, and then you can just click save and next and just finish it up. That's all. Your product is going to be all set up once you're done with all these steps. So this is one of the cool ways how you can make money by using Kartra, because of the simplicity and how easy it is to actually go through the steps, each step individually, and set it all up. And I love the fact that it doesn't take me a long time to do it. I have launched my products before, and I know how long it actually can take you to launch a product. Sometimes it can even take you like up to a year. So it does take a long time to set it all up and like have it all figured out. If you're using a whole bunch of different tools out there, you need to have it all integrated and things like that. But with Kartra, it's so simple to just go to my memberships, set it all up, and that's it. You'll have your own digital product to promote online. So also, if you don't know how exactly to create a funnel for your product, Kartra has done for you funnels. So if we go to campaigns and done for you, you'll be able to choose this quick launch funnel where it's all set up, it's all done for you. What you're gonna have to do is just customize it to match your product, and that's it. You're gonna have a funnel where you can drive traffic to, where they can actually purchase your product, and it's gonna be optimized and everything. It's all done for you. All you're gonna do is customize it, and that's it. So way number 4 would be when you go to my affiliate promos right here in Marketplace. This is where you're gonna find a whole bunch of products that you can actually promote to your list, or promote by using like paid advertising or free advertising or whatever. These are all people or members of Kartra who has created their own products within Kartra so far, and you'll be able to just choose a product and start promoting it. Product that will actually benefit your list. Obviously maybe you have a list already built, so you will just choose a product that will match and benefit your list and just promote it. Or if you want to just promote it to just public out there. So this is one of the other ways how you can actually choose a product within Kartra and start promoting it. So the 5th way would be money saved is money earned. As you guys have heard it already, the money that you save, it's basically like you've earned it. So I am personally saving a ton of money because I have switched over from my other tools that I've used to Kartra. Currently, I'm paying 3 times less than I was paying for all the other tools per month. So I'm currently paying, for Kartra, to use Kartra, I'm currently paying, let me show you really quick, $149.25 per month. And I used to pay almost $400 for, when I used to use all the tools separately, like ClickFunnels, GetResponse. Then I switched over to Active Campaign, which I was actually paying $135 per month for just active campaign. So obviously when you add all these things up, also the Click Magic, Kajabi, when you add all of these things up, it adds up to, you know, obviously a huge amount of money that you have to pay per month in order to run your online business and build your online business. So with Kartra, you're not gonna need any other tool out there. Everything is in here. Tracking is in here, you know, membership site builder is in here, email marketing platform, funnel creation, everything is in here. You're not gonna need any other tool out there to build your online business. So I am logging in with a single login, and I absolutely love this platform because of simplicity and because of the value and everything that I get within this platform. So if you want to learn more about Kartra, if you want to get access to it while you can for just $1, go ahead and click the link below this video, and I would definitely suggest you to get access to it, to try it out. You know, the $1 trial is for 14 days to try it out and see what it can actually do to your business. And I believe it will absolutely transform your business like it did mine. So also, if you want to become an affiliate of it, go ahead and check out a link below this video as well to learn more how you can become an affiliate and how much you can make with Kartra and all these things. So that's it for this video. Appreciate y'all, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Bye bye, blessings.